Hey, what is up guys? If you're watching this video, that's because you've read the title and you know you have a sticky dashboard situation just like I do. Look at my dashboard, it starts peeling off as soon as I touch it. My nail just picks them off. And this is the 2007 Lexus IS350. So in the second generation Lexus IS model, the 2IS model basically had the factory recall for the sticky dash situation they were having. But unfortunately, the previous owner for this car did not really give the car for a recall. Now enjoy the time lapse. Alright, I am super happy with the way it turned out. The side door panel, steering, as well as the dashboard now looks completely like one set. Look at that. The door and the dash is so perfectly aligned together now. The finish of it is super good, and there might be some imperfections here and there, but I'm really happy with the way it turned out. All the imperfections, the stickiness of it, all of them are now hidden. Look at the way it's all tucked in. Super nice and sturdy. I don't have any places where it's gonna like come out. If you've seen in the time lapse, this is one of the stitches that I did. Basically my roll finished over here and then I had to attach another piece here, and similar to this is also here. You can technically not even understand where the stitch was if I don't even point it out, and the way it is installed is super nice and I'm super happy the way it looks. Let me show you from outside. Look at that. The way it looks from the outside is also very nice. Now I don't really need anything else to be placed on top of the dash. It really makes it look super nice and different as compared to any other Lexus ISs. This is how I solved my sticky dash problem in my Lexus IS. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and if you guys learned how to do it, please do try by yourself and tag me on your Instagram or any other post. If you've learned from me, let me know. And if you have any questions, I do get questions on my Instagram at BuildFixCars, so let me know if you have any questions. Put them in the comments down below. If you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel for the new videos that's gonna come in the next week. So until next time, I'll see you in the next one.